Hi, I will show you how to create a glass texture, or you can say transparent mirror, on Blender. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Let's say you have this object mesh and you want the render engine to be cycles. I will turn it into viewport shading. I'm using Blender Kit here, and you can choose whatever HDRI you want for the environment, and make sure the final render wouldn't be transparent, so you can uncheck this so the HDRI will be shown. Now go to material and click new. On the shaded editor, make sure you check on the use nodes. Delete principal BSDF, Shift A, and look for glass BSDF. Then connect it. The more roughness you increase, the less your glass will be transparent. And you can also customize your glass color here. Oh, and I will choose Backman here. And this is the final result. And now our bottles are looking like a glass. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!